everybody. Hello, guys. Happy new month, happy new month, happy new month, my lovely people.
Oh yes, my beautiful people in the...
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Hello, everybody, my people. Hello, my beautiful people in the house. Oh yes, my lovely people, please, as you are coming in, please don't fail to share this video, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from.
Oh yes, my
people. Oh yes, my lovely people, I greet you so much. Oh yes, guys, good evening, everybody. Thank you, you are welcome. Please, man, help me share, guys. Yeah, you try to help me to share this video, guys. Please. Oh yes, my people, good evening, I greet you. Happy Sunday again. Happy Sunday. Today is a Sunday and a new month, guys. Happy Sunday to you all. Oh yes, I greet you so much. Thank you for coming around, and please don't forget to share, my lovely people. I'm gonna try to share, my beautiful people in the house. Oh yes.
Try help me to share, guys.
Yeah, it's 7 after 7, guys. What? After 7. So what? Anyway, so no time to check time, my lovely people. Now we'll see my topic right there today, guys. So please, if you are coming in and if today is the first time, please don't fail to share this video. Follow me on this page for now, because they blocked my first page. So that's the reason why. So please try. So try to like this page and follow this page. So my beautiful people, now go know what they go on right now, my beautiful people, my great people all over the world. Please, the help I just need right now to do for me, just help me to share so that more people will come in, guys. So my beautiful people, what we want to talk about today now, about what they go on for social media when it be say the way people take they talk the matter, and what they go and be say people don't like the truth, and we will continue to say the truth for where the truth be. Either good or bad, we must stand for the truth, because I don't understand what they want, my lovely people. So please just help me to share, guys. Please help me to share. Please, my beautiful people, please just try to share this video out, share out. So my people, I'm gonna know what they happen on social media ever since, my lovely people. I know said the movie and Olekia, they blocked my page, but at a time we are still here before they go open, and maybe I don't know the time. But first of all, they use this one for now first. So man, except people when follow here, when they love this page, when like and follow, now you go know what they go on for here for now. So my beautiful people, many of you are gonna know what they go on when it be say the movie and Enogi. You know say the movie Enogi na the movie Godson. So now not many things where they happen for social media when it be say. I dey imagine why some people they don't like truth. When they talk the truth, they vex them for body. Okay, my people, the movie, he can't the live video. I be waiting. Yeah, I say the live video that they went Enogi call him. So when Enogi call him, his wife contract to the throw bad word they give in Enogi, of which as a man of the house, when you see say your wife or they talk some kind of way you don't understand, you will like to tell and say no, not be so. Not talk like that. Meanwhile, the movie they can't let and they insult Enogi. After on, Enogi tried to retaliate before he said, you are no longer my godfather. Waiting cause all those problems, waiting cause all those wala. Waiting Obolomo ask is not too big, and not waiting talk them saying a bad thing. Say, please, oh, I beg, mo will settle, mo not the quarrel is no good. Since he's saying name na social media president at a time, he's supposed to advise people and they settle people. Not be the one when he be say, the one when the worst do, na worst pass. Okay, now my lovely people, Enogi can't go to say, okay, he go settle, he need settlement. They can't give a piece of ambassador or peacemaker, something like that. At the end, they say they give them money, and the movie say no, they collect. Meanwhile, that money, the movie go for collector because you know say it no get involved. Now make the movie no want pretend as if you don't need the money. Then he will not go back and collect the money. Only one go shop. That one say collect 1.5, make you give him 500. That 500, you know want to give Nogi. He want collect them. So after he don't pay like that, now that one call God to say, okay, he don't collect them, but he still need peace. Then the people for social media come outside, begin to call sound. Now betrayer, is a betrayer, is this, is that. I don't really understand some people the way that they do something. In fact, I don't really understand why they be like that. I no get to be betrayer. Okay, now they say no get na betrayer. They come outside, they begin to cause a no get na betrayer, no get na this, no get na that. Okay, wait till come up. Well, wait till come up when the movie you wake up. Yes, it's a bit today. He say he needs settlement. Because saying and Ijore, they don't settle, be what happen. I don't really understand. How come? What happened? When the couple say now, the movie when they say make them settle, the movie say la no go settle, he no need settlement. But surprisingly, the movie when say no need settlement, now he can't go say now, say he need settlement. Settlement now he need. We presenter they fight themselves. It no good. Okay, my people, what do you want to call the movie? Is that not betrayal too? All the supporters when we say they follow in the movie, which eye they want to look at? Because they know say the movie not strong betrayal, but they just want to hide it. They don't want to talk the truth. They don't want to stand for the truth. They just want to bend the matter. They don't say no. The movie now the number one betrayer. They say you no go call me, not record you. You they call people. You they record people. So how come now you they fear me people don't record you? Say he come outside. Me I'll present and unite. Me I'll present and do this. Me I'll present and do that. Okay, now my people. You they say you me want me present and unite, me present and do this, me they do that. Of which you know crow say, it not reach your mind. And what you do a no gay, it's not caught for. When you know some mama wife got belly, you come outside begin to narrate. Even though now you give a no gay wife belly picking. So okay, now you give a medicine when they born picking. You don't reach the one where you go come out to social media call the shots. Okay, now let no gay wife they talk say, I give medicine, I give concussion, I give a medicine. Or the rest women will follow you by medicine. They don't feel come aside. Because me, they imagine whether people refuse to ask you that question. All those people don't feel come aside. Make the testify. You give them medicine when they take belly. Take bon picking. Why come you say call the backbone for a no get wife body? Who see that video? No say now adverts. A no get wife do for you. Who really get out when they do adverts? They supposed no say clear. Now adverts now no get wife do for you. You want to use that one blackmail. Now let no get why don't take the medicine. No say they said the medicine all over the world. Women when he drink the medicine when they call use and take get belly but pick him on and come outside. Because oh good afternoon, Miss Joanne. You are welcome, ma'am. Happy Sunday. So people when it be say they are where they buy the medicine. You bring them come outside because the way you got to the paper for a no get wife body and no get wife for and no get wife for now you give a medicine. Now you give a medicine. So now you go bring women when you come buy medicine for your hand. All those women pretend as if they don't know you are a betrayer. They pretend as if they don't know the kind of human being you are. Please help me to share this video, guys. So we don't need any settlement. Please. Anybody that will come and say, we need settlement. No. We don't need any settlement. Because the same settlement, Enoge said we need. The same settlement, Enoge called for. And they turn Enoge down. My people, please, why now? Why now? After he done insult Enoge and the wife, talk all the thing. Now say Enoge, why can't Bele go do, can't picking, Bele go road work? It is now you said you need a settlement. Please just help me share this video. The movie I block my page. Now make una see me here. If not be so, now my big page I suppose use. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please follow this page and share this page out. Please share this video, my people. Why now? At the movie now, they say it needs settlement. Not because of the settlement, they begin to cause Enoge. Is it not because of this settlement when they begin to call so useless Abat? Abat when they you see come outside, they make noise. By the way, Abat, why you know they talk about what your Obaseki they do for Nigeria, for those states? Why you know they carry what your Obaseki do? They come outside, more with the see. Only the one when they abroad. Only the one when they abroad. Now they talk about. Thank you, my lady. Thank you. Please, when I share, guys, please. You understand? Now, only the one when they abroad, they poke nose. The one when they Nigeria, now they talk a pattern. When we know say na the movie you first support. By the way, good afternoon. You are welcome, Glory. Please, when I share, please, guys, help me to share this video and help me to like this page, please. When they no get now they call the movie and they no get now this one and no get na betrayal. So now, thank you. Now, and no get no the movie not be betrayal now. And the movie not betray now they not betray them now my people. And the movie not betray now. Wana we matagi wata truth no go let una talk. And the movie not betray them now. My beautiful people all over the world. Is it not the peace that they no get need? Not be the movie say need now. Okay, what it call hard, difficult for a no get the movie to accept. And for the movie to say, okay, my son, let's talk. Call me later and we'll talk. What is the difference? And the movie refused to listen to a no-gay. And that boy that boy don't they loyal to the movie long time ago. Not today, not yesterday. Una hear everything when the wife talk for show say they like to use them because in the name of Pali. Because in the name of Pali. Thank you. Please, when I invite, please. Thank you, my lady. Because of Pali, the movie go work your husband for midnight. Come make banku. Come do this one. Come sweep ground. Come go up. Come carry fridge. My people. If now you, even if your man not get anything, not see food eat, he not get money. Another man, you call the user like baby, will you be happy? Which woman they do on my people? Because they say you want help when you want help, we they never see for her. But you just want to use them. You just want to use the boy, use and turn your everyday boy. Either good or bad. Will not be your pikin. You know, say even your own pikin. That man, they say he first pikin, not the boy they talk to her. And the movie, not the boy they talk to first pikin. You know the boy they talk to her, make that one not slap him. But why? Because you want to help someone. You won't fail your use and turn slave. Modern slaving. Now because they use a no get they do. Because they no get now tossing a woman when he bought for and make life better. Not be waiting with they pray for be that. At the end, the same person I put one. Even though that person put one for Mama Nora. Which try you can't get una the quarrel or the quarrel. Not to an extent go bring waiting don't pass. Be giving the trauma keep picking when he debele. My people who go accept that one. Waiting pain and no get not pass say he say when no Mama Nora get Nora belle me not get her 2 times. Say carry the belle go road work. If you suffer the light, they suffer the light the movie. Say this one when he still gets so belle when he still gets so. Say na person say the belle na so na him give a medicine. Okay, you say now you give first pikin medicine when it table. Now you give first pikin medicine when it table. You can't say not be to born first pikin, not be the thing no. Make God be like born second, born third. At the end, God just want to disgrace you. At the end now twist or molomo one boss. He will be successful nothing they do. But you not got to understand now you still give a belle when because it born second pikin no. But you talk and say not be to born one they talk and now make it come born the second one or make it come born the third one and now we they talk. But now God wants surprise and now mama be need one, he can't get 2. God just want to tell you that you are not God. You cannot change things. We're all salopo and all the feeling we're here. That story shows that girl did not use your medicine in the movie. He no use. Now really hospital when he go, now he really work for him. Because if now you say not be to born one to make it can't get another one. At the end, he get now a fast alopa. God just want to prove you wrong. That you cannot claim glory for where wait you not do want to claim glory. God just want to disgrace you. Yes, it's evil. God just want to disgrace the movie to tell the movie say you are not God. I'm the one that did it. You cannot come and claim glory on top of what you did not do. That's the reason why God Almighty do one. Or not expecting na 2 if your wife go get. Even the woman not expecting na 2. Now later when belle go don't be one of God's people and I don't take check and be up so. But you are there raking, bragging. You bring another person out when you give concussion when he call get belle born pikin. And the movie forget about Nokia and his wife. You bring another woman come out and show us medicine when you give them and take get belle. Bring them out all over the world. You in the same medicine, not the only one person need to come testify. If your something is really working, if your concussion when they say they read the work, not the only one person go come testify. Many people need to come testify. Now, the settlement when no gay, what? Won't not enter no gay body because they sort a no gay. The same settlement now na so na what? I don't really understand. And the movie, which kind of settlement you say you want? I don't understand. Settlement may present and come together. Or settlement when you want to share the social media. Or settlement when I want to use one against one. Or settlement when I want to take record. Or settlement when I want to take find person background. Which kind of settlement do you want? Because the thing is so surprised that you that said never, never, you stand for the truth. They came to bring money for you. May they take bribe you. But you stand for the truth. You refuse to take the money. That's the reason why you don't need settlements. Okay, my people, when I ask at the movie, say, okay, now, what type of settlement did you want? Because settlement, with me don't know the exactly one as the movie needs. So my people, let's really know the one as the movie needs. Because if I say I know, I lie. And I don't call a no-gay for a plan for today. Never a no-gay settle with your wife we born. A no-gay. Never you make peace or settlement with the movie. No. That settlement is not accepted. There is something on that. So there is something behind that settlement. Yes. Because when the guy came with his clean heart, where we were settled, you talk about selu, when no, you don't want to settle. La. Your wife cause problem. After I don't insult Omolomo is talking you. Wahala boss. Now, you said you need settlement. My people, anywhere on for say the movie. Mona asked the movie, say, the movie, oh, what kind of settlement do you need? Because settlements many. When a no-gay comes and say they need settlement, make settlement their social media. And may forgive Monica, make you forgive this lady. What do you call her? Precious Make. He mentioned many people. Okay, now you say you need settlement. And the movie no-gay calls you, tell you. Enough I come out on live video, come talk and say, the movie settle with everybody. No. He called you and said, settle with those people. Okay, now you said you where me for saying why your settlement in it. You said you need settlement. Please share this video out, guys. Please share, my people. You said you need settlement. What kind of settlement do you want? You said you need settlement. Okay, you need settlement. Settlement when you say you need, you not explain it to us. Because a no can call you say settlement in either. You can't say no. Then a no can not come out to live video to say settlement or he call you on phone. Okay, you now come outside today, be yesterday. Say you need settlement, make peace the social media. Okay, fine. Okay, why at the same time you are still saying it that I'll focus on presenter and I'm not gonna go call and they go record me. Now so record the record. The movie, what kind of settlement do you want? Something when you don't come public, can't talk. Una think una fit use our brain. No, una no fit use our brain. You and Ijore, una no fit use our beautiful women brain. We too smart. You say, okay, you come on media and said, okay, we need settlement. At the same time, people goes, okay, call the presenters. Forget recording or no recording. Call the presenter. If you really need settlement, where me for the say now why your settlement you need. Now I proof or not so. He say he needs settlement. You come on media to say that people you want settlement for the whole presenters. Abi? Okay. Then people were there watching you, about 1,000 something were watching you. When you say it in public. My people, when I answer this thing, later, in about 2 minutes, they go, okay, call the presenters then. He won't go talk again. He say, he not go fit call, they go record me, I not go fit call, they go record me here. Wait till you don't fair talk for social media. Then you can call one presenter today with a record. Wait till one record. Wait till that presenter one record. Oh, my big mommy appears. You are welcome, my lady. Wait till that presenter one record. No, not the here. Okay, me come and say I need settlement. Then I can carry phone. I can call Inoge. Even if that one record me. Wait till me don't fair come on public to talk. Can't talk. Which one be that will not record me again? If now real settlement you want. This is Beleku settlement. Why you 40 settlement? You come on media and say you need settlement. Good evening, my darling. You come on media, you said you need settlement. Okay, carry phone and call them. You say no, they will record me. What kind of record did they want to record you? More like the here, the point when I pick for them, I be that. You say you really need peace. You need peace. You need settlement. Then you come on public and say it. Okay, now carry phone and call them if you really need settlement. If the settlement is real from the bottom of your heart. What did he say? He never reached 3 minutes for them. Thank you, my darling. Hope, yeah. Happy, you are welcome. Please, when I me share, I beg. When I me share this video, I beg. At the same time, is there any peace? You can't talk for public. People, even the court to contribute. You say that the palace call you, say, you make peace. Right? Then you come on media to say it. Then, people were not saying, okay. Not 2 minutes. Never read 2 minutes. Oh. This man still say, no, I'm not going to figure out because, okay, you call them. If you really need peace, call all the presenters. Since you say they tell you say you are enough to settle people on social media so that there will be no quarrel. You say they send you, may you call talk and say, make peace day. Okay, now, you come on public and say it. Okay, now, pass the court us, okay, you have to call them one after the other. If you really need settlement. If not before 419 settlement. Because, okay, may you call presenters then. May you unite them together. At the end, what did you do? You say you don't go fit call anybody. You don't want to go record you. Live 419. 419 settlement. My people, when the movie good evening, you are welcome, my darling people. Please, I'm gonna share this video, my people. Now I made them block my page, oh, because if me listen to video, I don't need to listen to all of them before me pick my own points inside. Now I made that they insult me when I go block my page, oh, more and share, my people. Okay, now, if Enoge come outside, call you in public, say, okay, now, please, we need settlement. If you tell Enoge, say, Enoge, oh yeah, if you say we need settlement, okay, I don't have problem. You call all the presenters, let us settle. My people, not say Enoge no go carry phone, call the presenters. You just say Enoge go tell you, say, no, I not go call them, oh, because I don't want to go record me. Una hear and Enoge no go talk. Because why? The settlement is from the bottom of his heart. He go carry phone, he go call everybody. Because when he call for a platform, he not only call one person, he mention many people. He say, make all of us settle. Then, if you not give Enoge work or task, say Enoge, carry phone, call all of them. Let's make peace or let's book dates. You call them for grant. Then if you don't call them, let me know. Then we'll come talk how we'll settle the matter once and for all. My people, when I say Enoge go tell and say no. When I say Enoge go tell say no, I not go call. No, because the settlement is from the bottom of his heart. He will call. And the movie 419 settlement. And the movie why your fake settlement. You said now you need settlement. Small test when they your test you, you fail woefully. And the movie fail. A lady your call. He said, okay. You say you need settlement, right? Because now, all the fans now don't first say don't betray them. Betrayer is always betray. And Enoge did not betray Eddie Murphy. But Eno is the most number one betrayer. Oh. Eno is the number one betrayer. So right now, E no coffee, e na. You want use wuru because why? Na yore, na they find when they want to do church, when they want to scam people, scam we are here to disgorge on faculty. Ma why remember ma be boko you warere. Merema ogon we block a page me. Me why remember na to go ka marriage wo hu edimufi. Just for you people to know who is the real Judas Iscariot. This one you don't need to ask who is the real Judas Iscariot here. Now one man, they say one man call. Say, Edimufio, you say person call you for palace. May you make peace. May you settle people. May you make sure say furero. Abieru kae. One wisdom man, he can call. Now you see the man talk. The man say, thank you very much. We here. Now good idea you bring Edimufio. But who be that person when he call you for palace say may you make peace? And why that person not fit call on live video to address us? If not really not so. That person, even though not get if you back at 10 euros, okay, pa? This word, oh they lie, they not say not lie you. That man, your cash the movie returned. You say, now so they call you, may you make peace. Now, when you call talk finish, why you not say, hey, pal, no while as to talk and so they feel believe, they feel not believe, but I will try my best. But wait till I go back out for phone. If I do on live video, I bet just explain more to them. May they foresee here, may peace really day. Now the man can say, why that man not call us today live video? Say, man will hear his voice. When you go the address, then who don't call for the settlement, then will not take the name to palace, then they'll come know what they'll do to that person. Because he said, now from palace, now that message for come. This morning, say, make it come out to settle people on social media. Okay, now, the movie, you need to call that person. Now, the man can say, the man supposed to call. Meanwhile, people call the writer for they say, nobody called the movie. Because they say, you already give them 1,000 euro, 1,000 euro. Now, make the movie come out the next day, begin the colo. Because they say, you already give them money, now make the movie come outside, begin the soliloquize. No call from palace. There is nobody called Edimufio. Edimufio just come outside to go. Una know why I collect that the vessel. Una know why I collect that one fast. Because the 2 million when they give it, no give. Oh yeah, see the cry put on nyama. You see the cry put it tomorrow. So my people, this one amount where they give. Una just say bring account come outside. Una they see people. Edimufio went ahead to bring your account for Nigeria commerce. Mona asked Edimufio what you want use the money to do. Una they see people, they will say I don't need that more. Now like they lie no, blah blah blah. How come your account called the back below for social media? How come your account called the back below for media? Mona let me share this video. Mona let me share. How come your account called the back below? Donation, Mona donate. They say, why you call it? They say, a guy paid up money. Una san yo sorry. See the person that said I don't need 2 million. But it's the one they give 1 euro, 1,000 euro. It don't shocking. It's the same person that still bring out accounts. The account they outside now, me and you they talk. The account they outside now, me and you they talk. My people, I imagine who they believe Edimufio. Edimufio when he be say, Papa Wala, when there's Nebagwa, the Dorishi, the Papa Wala, what say they call him? This man, when they give Edimufio money, una don't ever hear say Edimufio don't come outside say they give her money. My people are better than share. Mommy love you. I welcome my lady. Una don't ever hear say Edimufio come outside say they give her money. He don't ever accept. If you like me, you they cry. Or I can want because una just sit down and so una want you spread that Edo kingdom. Egbanu why? Because Elgi marry her. We were a few para. We may I got banish away. Oh, you don't need to cry you. Iyore, you don't need to cry, just bear it. Because when you have a good husband, your husband is supposed to tell you, say, as it is now, let's go to Nigeria. Your husband is from Igbo. Okay, let's go there. Oh, wana seba wana zigwe wana ifame baba here. Ana ime baba. Why me baba ba osefi? Abe the chief and the people now go meet there. I beg, I be talk, I be no talk. Iyore come as I begin to do video say, I will not answer anything. Let the me bring the paper to run direct. When me megan where ya agboru. Onaha. Now, if there are some things when you say you know go fit carry reach the ending, you don't need to push yourself. Because you go look and say, wait till they use and do self. But when time comes, you go say, that's when you say you don't get what you want use and do. Now you go come with your go get baba for inside. Now, there's a video you do, you are crying. You say, nah, the movie. When my name is the movie, you're what? No, we are going to be near the movie. Oh, can't tell war. Or is it tan. Or do I go book? Can you read like I would read? I'm not going to settle with the movie. I to go on where I settle. I told women Wi-Fi I still a Barry Palace. Una knows not to take Bolo go Palace. You talk at the movie, now the movie talk you. Now, Kasala boss, and the movie go. And the movie also go small. He owned the palace. He went there. No matter say he drink or got or water, he only can still visit Benin. He can still go to Edo State. But what of Iyore? People were telling Iyore that Iyore honor the call. Honor the call. Before they call letter bridge, you call the swear for public. It was not a day. They give her time if she will change. They give her time whether they go hear her call. But what did she do? She refused, as if those people are nobody. As if those people, they are nobody. For what? Then you can say you do one, you are free. Before they come bring those Gomigoko, come as out those everything come this way. They wait for her. She refused to answer them. No matter how you be, no matter how you get money, after as far you say something, they call you there. You have to be there. But what did she do? She said, you talk about Selu, I got you talk by name. Oh, hi. Iyore refused to listen to them. But what did the movie use? After the movie used the head finish, and the movie now travel to Nigeria. She quickly go and do her own cleansing. But what did Iyore do? She sits back. She refused to answer them. Well, welcome. Please, when I share this video, please, guys, that my page when they use be this. And the movie don't block my page. Please help me to share. My people, now, the movie and Iyore, they want settle, bam settle. Never. It can never be possible. Settle what? Now, my people. They say Iyore don't give the movie money, make it shop. Now today they talk. Now hear them. Say Iyore don't give the movie money, they want settle. Say people they come for a movie platform. And when they watch Iyore now, he say yes, we are free to watch her. You are free. What tori? No lie. All the kuku won't do almost to veguwa. That guan if they talk to pikin all the year. Now be this Iyore own. Iyore, you say you married to Igbo man. That Igbo man don't know the kind of work when he did for your life. When you really love a woman, when you see a woman, they go wrong. After all, the great kingdom, when you yourself know. And they say that Iyore husband go wolo history of Benin come. Make Iyore take the do she like tell you when not clear. Igbo man, after you don't do and finish, you can't leave Iyore for the mess. But when you are going to Nigeria, when you get to Nigeria, now you go to your own village. But Iyore now cannot step in your own town. That is abomination. Alu, now be that one, forbidden thing. Every time, anything. Okay, now my beautiful people, Iyore come outside, they cry crocodile tears. You not to cry crocodile tears, begin to cry. When you go say, you don't need to say such. Either good or bad, you need to attend the time they need you. You need to be there the time when they called you. There will be nothing that will do you. I like pity for you because You could have been there. Oh, my big mommy.
Sister Vera.
Oh, mommy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma. They live video. Good evening, ma. They live video. Yes, ma. Yeah.
I bet. Don't they talk say Ijore married to Igbo? Mama married na girlfriend to. Ijore na the girlfriend to.
But I say marry, they talk now.
He no marry. They never marry. They never marry. Never. The Igbo man many years. The Igbo man never put carry drink go give the family say. Now he would defend them. Now he never carry drink go give that family. You no marry. Now he girlfriend. Na size chico. No marry. He no marry. Nothing like marry. Nothing like.
Hey. Una dey here? Oh, networking.
He with Yore now would they stay for the same house. If they call they greet to Yore will still go inside.
Oh.
Where they day, you would they far. Not be the same city they day.
Oh.
They travel go. Now 10 years they don't they follow that Igbo man. He never marry. They know Igbo man no marry her. He no marry her. Marry go yo. If they don't put that one of drink. 10,000 naira may go give the family say he go marry pikin. He know who propose for her. He don't give her engagement ring.
Oh.
You do introduction. Come on, see power introduction. You don't do for that lady. You don't do for that girl. You don't do.
Oh.
Never marry na side chick. The Igbo man, na three women don't born for her now.
Now so they talk. Oh.
Na three women don't born for her. The Igbo man now. Now be the fourth one.
Hey.
And he no marry her. The Igbo man, you know who say, can you marry me? Make you engage her. You don't give her engagement ring.
Oh.
You don't give her engagement ring. That woman just they follow the Igbo man, the side chick there. They just they do boyfriend and girlfriend there.
Oh.
No marry her.
Oh.
Now that thing they beat Yore. If you see Yore every day, you'll see her. He must cry every day. You see Yore go there live video till 2 o'clock in the night. He go there live video because he just the find waiting what they console himself.
Chef.
He everything every day he must cry. He must cry.
Oh.
Every day. He no marry. He no marry. You never even know where they go.
As the Yore fine rich. Oh.
The lady, he not dey fine. Not dey okay. Not get settlement. Money not be everything.
Oh.
Not get happiness.
No happiness.
Not get happiness. This one now he mad because he carry and go where he not supposed
carry and go.
He can't get double wahala.
Yeah.
No happiness for husband side. You not get mad where you even say na he be oh. No happiness there. No happiness for this side.
Oh.
You don't not get happiness. If you look like that lady, no happiness.
Oh.
I just dey sorry for her sometimes. Whether the man and the Igbo man is just marry her, if they live together,
if you dey shop the money for the why did he show the loyal people?
Now you not do you give your connection. Now you pretty Danny yes you come out now. Pretty how they come out give you your make they start the business now. Now you pretty everything. You know be now Igbo man. Now you go pretty come out. You can't put your face. You don't put the face.
Hey.
You don't put the face. You know, see how people man take sense.
You know the big you for a village, oh. Una dey see.
You know big you for village. Make they tell you for money.
Make they do history. Oh.
You go preach and come out. You don't know what to be culture. You can't know Bini culture. You never know Igbo culture finish. Can't know Bini culture. You can have 419.
The man dey face.
Me that talk to you for man. Make you marry Yore. Make you do only introduction. Simple introduction. Make you do for that lady.
Because I don't know what they do. You dey shop the money for them. They follow our pattern. They collect the money.
Yore never stay as for one good month. They never stay together. Living together. They never stay. Living together. They never even stay. Me I just say forget about marriage. Because when we dey come, so mama and papa they'll dey as they'll go born. They never marry. They'll dey together.
He's just there for the money, Mercy. Thank you. The man is just there for the money. Just collecting the money.
Come. Make the man now, may just stay with it. May just go stay with her. He not go fit. He not go fit. Now let me sometimes if you just they discuss marriage man for a platform, just a laugh. You will never stay with man for 1 good month.
Oh.
You will never stay with your Igbo for 1 good month. You go to talk to husband and wife, just stay with 3 years, 5 years, 20 years together. You go to talk.
Okay, wait till you call the use it. Go mama go we full for Ijore. Wait till you call the use it. Go mama they do.
Enough it.
When as you friend, you should not feel pursue. Go mama, you find better man will be your own. When you go help you find your solution. Oh, where the room we Ijore.
The Igbo man, I they give you a lot there because as he deal with the Igbo man, no man will go toast her.
At all. Who shall say get us man? God bless you.
The thing say he deal with man, he don't marry. He don't fit stay with the man for good 1 month. He don't fit.
This one
stay
a
with the man for
wickedness.
good 1 month. And if you see where you're there, now if you notice, very bush area. Now let you get that place. Very lonely life. Lonely.
As I see the video when they cry today, it touched me. Tears won't even see the tears come out from my eye for her. But lie. Tears come out from my eye. I say, oh, either good or bad. Oh, what boy is for
the truth of the matter. Now loneliness. Now you don't see where you go meet at the most impact. Loneliness. He they lonely. Nobody they inside now. You don't get anybody now where say you just travel, go greet. Loneliness.
You know the finish for live video. I understand. Because the way they sit down for live video morning till night, sometimes they go do me. I think which this woman tell they sleep. Before you know it, the morning just enter again. I will say, oh, this woman. How could they imagine?
He go close 3 o'clock in the night. He go enter again 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning.
I was like,
you know they sleep. Loneliness.
Oh, Ghana some men when they sleep. He go feel wake up, you not get what they do, you not get because they can't go school. And you go must sleep reach around 9-10. Before I go come prepare eat level 12. Before you go say one even sometimes you go watch, you no go even get 10 sometimes. I don't think I feel for her. Now I can't know say the key depression and all.
Every day by day, that lady must cry. If you see her, it don't swell up. Not get where that lady not cry, where not they cry, not get joy.
Oh my
God. Get joy. Then there's sometimes go they come. You go say, if you not drink, you not go see, Akine. You go they curse. You go they curse. If you curse finish, you go say, hallelujah, praise the Lord. Which one you call day?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
No happiness. I just sorry for her. May leave Igbo man. That man and man, may leave her, may find a joy. He go see my way, go give her joy. Even though you know who go Benin, I go see my way, go give her joy. Now I know if you go Benin, no my way give her joy. No picking, nothing. You just stay like that.
My number, I don't pin on there. Oh. Very painful. That thing they pay me for you. I say Yore. Oh my God. Tommy, thank you, my sister. I don't put my number down. I see I feel pin and so. Okay, I don't put my number there. Thank you, my people. If you want call in, my people. Now the page when I call the use be this. Help me to share this video, please. Make it reach people. Help me to share. When I share this and follow this page now. Follow the page, like the page. Now you forgot to do our program. Because either good or bad. Oh, see, you're going to say, today when I watch the video when they cry. Not only he no still reach Billy, he have many pains. The way that they cry, the thing, in the pain now. Obigbo, Agboma Gwere, life not let you come. Obigbo, see Yoruba. In Agwere, leave Yoruba, let him find the man that will take good care of her. La so that don't make no settle down. No bow, no make not bow with bear, no beer. No make not be you hear when the caller talking, really they talking. Swear, if you do what that may not get happiness. Sometimes you go see the way they talk sometimes. Is like out of frustrate from Molomo. Okay, now. The Igbo man, which help you can't day for her life. Which help you can't day. When it be say, you give that woman. I say, I see when they send the video for me to go and watch and say, oh God, I don't feel watch and finish. The video when you do officer when she they cry. When she say, you know if you go to Nigeria, you know if you go to Edo State again, you know if you go here, you know if you do this one. I was like, oh. But the time she's supposed to attend. Agwa yo ayenyenye. Egena ya atu una refuse. Umajo. Una yema ya ogwa. Obi bona ariye mighty nu. Go enia. Obi go ga papa ori gu oga de we. Oya mi undo alu a oke o ko mepo ori we. Gwe kan ijo. Uwe kan ya ma ye were ya webo. Ogi magi ko nuje Nigeria mien ugulele igwe jogwa you follow igwe gwas but at the time gwe kan second wekere only agi ka mania. Not only that obi gbogwa he bad luck your life. Igbo man no let you see front, he no let you see back, he no let you see front and back. Omaku we beg in front of you. Or what here he not let me shop, he not let me throw away. Obi gbo walking way. Agaye o ega mufwa ologo ku o wa ki we logo amaga mufwa because me really understand. Okay, all the magi ko e ba we give fear now you dey cry. It's too late to cry. It's too late. See, and at the time you now realize now they now told you it's over. You can no longer do this because it will take. You supposed to answer the long time. You refuse. You say nothing they happen. Now everything that they say nothing they happen. Your own place where you for travel come where you come there now where it come better for you. But at the time now where you don't see make God doesn't they bless you. Where you think is Jeva? Only man. That one good, my people. Okay, the movie now we not get share for eye. You talk you whether you can talk you no, and the movie can talk you no. Now so that do at that time. One or two take bring on self out by on self. And the movie crow he dey deny what he do. For it to say he do amo, I beg my people wala ho take time matter. He say boy say you matter na mo pok bejo. Na mu gbegbe yo. Na tie bojo. They not get 4 times. Which one come be person fought for inside? You know you do something, they wash it. Not be they say person do something. No evidence. Evidence was there. For the movie to say I talk, I be not talking. They change it from my mouth. I don't know when you take talk. You work back. Is that not for one? Are you the same person that say you need settlement? You when you do something, they see and they wash and they tell you say see what you do. You say no. You not talk. You open why you begin to use your hand take the pack bad swear the shop. Now you that we have trust on. You are saying people are saying betrayer. Is the movie not number one betrayer, my people? Is the movie not number one betrayer? Because I don't want that people will say betrayer. Betrayer for where? Okay, at the end, those people when they clap and follow. She be at the movie doesn't betray no. But I get time, what are we not talking about? They say the movie now don't betray people. They say the movie now it don't betray Ozazege here. Now back call you. I say na palace na palace call you. Palace call you, no evidence. Okay, mo Azumi say palace call you. Why are you the same time saying you cannot call presenters? That means to shows that this man don't have nothing like let's settle. Any settlement you hear is fake. Believe me. Nothing like resettle. If you not believe say Edmund in this settlement, na allow urolo pa okay. Omani the settlement work pa. Omani the water. Oh God, target the movie. They doesn't give her money. Already code then. The movie you code then. The movie you code then. Why we wo? The movie don't shop a blem blem. Tell me what to give. A blem blem. Tell me what to give. A blem blem. Give me small money. A blem blem. Give me big money. A blem blem. The movie the a blem blem help when see. On a you code up. Ye body a blem blem. He don't collect a blem blem. He don't collect more blank, give me small money. A blank, give me big money. A blank. All right, la done we put a blank. O koyari a blank. And the movie tell la dado wa chateau. Where you call then boy the movie sha. O kon where ya when ni mo ko the movie ya di. Already ye that one when he come outside the call no get betray na lie you because say no get they aware. If no get did not they aware or if we can go back go collect the money, he will still come out and say that this money you take the beg me. That this money take the beg me. Now me say I know they collect. They call they use money take the beg me. I call say I don't get how they use and do. They call they beg me with money. Okay, no. If Papa Wala not come outside for a fair platform to say December 25, December 20 something. He give a no game the movie money. Una for belief. When he say na no get the movie call am the movie call and say he want do giveaway. What if he give away? He say he want buy something to give orphanage people. That one say transfer 150,000 for your account. Yes, say lads and live video do tie. Since then when they come outside the call no get betrayer. Did the movie come outside and say Papa Wala have given me penny? Shebi they use and swear say none of the dog give and penny not they collect. I don't know be so they talk. All the money when Papa Wala don't give the movie, no talk and say more than 1.something million. The money na me they give. So now I can't be say now the movie can't be no can't be Judah enemy carrot. I no can't be the Judah the carrot. Now. He want play go meet Yore. He want dance go Yore side. He want go do a blend for there. He want go there now Yore. You can't forget say na the movie na make you not feel enter Edo State today. If they go, Shebi you know say after he go for that erosion, he still go Nigeria. Shall you remember? He still go there. He still go Edo State too. Hey Yore, which one be your own now? Which one you go fit do now? You talk about the video. Say now he make you not fit go Nigeria again. Thank God say you know say now he make you not fit go Nigeria again. But your man when say now your boyfriend because they say no marry you but you they call her your husband. And you go the priest or time you go say man we never put money for her not be your husband. But now me they imagine and you go come outside go the priest say make women not supposed to make women not the follow man when he get wife. Make girls not the follow man when he get wife, you no good. But now the one when he get wife, you they follow. Till wife has that. You will say make women not they do this one. But now the same thing you say still they do. So now how come? Even the Igbo man now, no fit tell you say, okay, I will follow you there. Because you they advise people. The same advice say they advise people. Now the same thing, the one way works pass on now you they do. Now it means if I pass your video, I will say, not be your fault. Something is going wrong. Something is waiting, touchy. No when light and light the toy go they spark. You go do if you use another one not supposed to touch one, you go they blink, you go they bring light. I got the imagine the man when they say they with you for not be your really husband, not be your man when be say even though I never marry, but now you want to get he never fell born or not be only never fell born say not be as in you and your day permanent. You hear what they call like say now you never even stay for us 1 month. But you they come and say now your husband. And you they say no, they come man when never marry us our husband. And you they say guys stop following married men. Any okwo no mo wa, any okwa no mo ko wa, waga ilele. But you now you they follow. And the worst part, the man are not get see go one feeling for you. Fine say you love the man. The way we see it, you love the man than the way the man love you. Okay, now it's not a crime for a woman to love man or for a man to love woman. But why can't the man, when you see say you don't go fall for trap, when you know you fall for big trap, get trap, is a big one. The man cannot even help you to solve it. I don't understand. When the man has to say they carry big chuchuko, they swear. The man of your advice say, you're okay, give me phone, let me call them on your behalf. Okay, give me phone, let me speak with them. He didn't do it for you. Okay, enough he call. Enough is okay, let's travel that to Edo State. to Nigeria, they will get to Edo State. If one go there, carry you go there, make they go beg. If not, they on live video. Maybe begin they beg all the way when he did there. No, I ain't have no papa, have no give, baba. So that they will not forgive. Okay, small cleansing when they say you do, then you will not have time to do it. No, you sit back. But the cry when you cry today, touch me, oh. If I lie, tears come out from my eye. Tears come out from my eye. Where if I toss now, the movie make you go drink water. God the heaven bear me if I lie. I cry for you. The thing touch me. When say I know the movie now will make you go Nigeria again. Two, you know go fit step there to Edo State, not be Nigeria. When you call the talk many words. It touched me, oh. I have pity for you. But at the time, you didn't take step fast. Now you cause that one on. And the same person you use your mouth to say is the same person that will not when you make and when you not visit Benin, those states. Now the same person you want carry now because your mind is not really there for you. If it really be there, when that thing happen, it's supposed to carry you go. When you go settle and when you did your cleansing. And if you do you know mark bewa. He do the cleansing before he come out from Nigeria, come abroad again. Now so you two of us still do one. They don't buy you shop. Lie down for that, Baba. I be talk, I not talk. I don't know when to mama. That day I drink. Lie. You drink. You don't know when the teeth fall for your mouth. Wallahi. They're for here. But you begin to say nothing is happening. If you forget me, I remember you. I pity for you for that video. If I lie, I shed tears. I say, oh. But now it's too late. And where you say you called a man thought say, you know, if you do anything against the people, when you swear this way, many don't die. That just forget, say no, if you step like enter Edo State again. Now they are for pity. Now you want call. You don't supposed to call long time ago. Now you want call. When you know say you not be Igbo. If you be Igbo, now you can't do that kind of thing. They feel okay. Anywhere they see you, they beat you. But you still don't say your own place you go because you know say you not be from it. Not be when you know you have. I call work bepa uko egbere or wagi gwewe. From outside beat come. As inside will cover you. Not from house. Begin the fight. If you can't see what you see for outside, don't want to rescue you. You will like a bekyo one. I give you wena or river, you know say. Okay, now that cry will cry. It touched many people. It touched me. I cry. Say, oh, now it's late. But the man refused to help you. Wagi ye gbok be anija oji. Iyore. Menu we wagle wa mosese. We ma seti gwalo ya no mo no wa mu we. No why got that phone na he. No wa koko planning life. No me na we planning life we. It's not by sitting on YouTube day and night. It won't help. On va no always say back because on no always say about do take away when life is ji. Bi ai wa gbegbe me wa ba no. It will tire you. Kege na gwale life agbonia. O ma ela. O mo ye hu ye ti ye bie. Gwale life agbogwalo pe agbon. Not the responsible no eti face saving na here. No eti except who I don't really know. But where Gualoma look for a man, because you preach this one, you preach that one. I know sometimes it's out of as in frustration or thinkness. Look for a good person that will help you, because that man not ready for anything. He not ready. Una not say the talk truth and be bad person. If you like, put red head for your head. Una get the truth, and not fit tell her. Now so una take clap and for and I take turn Benin enemy so. Ni ba bola we pe no mo red red no ku gbu. Ugbe o azin oviazin. Mo na zin bien oji. Now so una take bekpera. When take for hoe when for put down. Una do na house down una dey happy. Wa gogo. E mo dan. Hello. Hello. Good evening, ma.
My baby, how you doing?
I define
Barrister Lonnie.
Barrister Mommy. Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma.
How you doing?
We dey fine, no. Though, how the children, how that side, how the sister then? Oh, network, no fuck up. Oh. Hello. Hello, how the sister then? How the day?
We dey. Where my children?
We dey fine.
How they dey?
We dey fine, ma. We dey
Where
fine.
my sister?
We dey fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na so make una open platform una take advice Ijore. Na that one no he need. No be this cry when
They
dey cry.
Oh.
Yeah, cry not the help. She dey pay.
Oh.
Na don't cry now. Many people come to know say she dey pay.
Hey.
You see her?
I see her,
Yeah.
my sister. I see that video. I see her. I see her.
You know say this live video when people they see so if you get children now if fit to if you don't get children
Children,
they do live
video, the person go not be lie. Because after you true for there, oh, you go
the
go
spirit
dey
the
lonely.
spirit of live video don't enter your body. You not go even think go husband or think go this thing. I don't understand.
Don't be lie.
She's young. Yeah, she's young. Waiting she's supposed to do, make she go do her, make she find man marry. Because you know if you stay like you forever. You know if you stay you
Oh, I don't talk. I say no fit. You know fit.
Yeah.
You no go work. Oh.
that man when they with now, they say the man get wife, get children.
No,
He
she
need
dey
to
do.
go get her own man. No be no man. They follow man when he say don't go. Don't go. How many women don't go for her?
Yeah.
He say na one woman I go with the man. He not supposed to date that man. He supposed to get his own man.
Man.
Make he go to that city, make he change his life.
Okay.
You know, sometimes if they tell people truth, they go say you
The
hate
bad
them.
person.
Nobody dey hate each other.
Oh.
If they do something, they no know say that's on the record. And the time when the record will come they play, they use they blame people.
Oh.
If I do something wey no good, I come to say, ah, what I do no good. I know come they play people record when they tell me say wetin you do no
Good.
good. That be the problem when she get.
Oh.
She think that she know everything. She dey claim say
You know it
that she
all.
don't know anything.
Oh.
Although
Oh. Network no fuck up. Oh.
network.
We dey hear you now. Just
Wetin the network? Wetin she supposed to do? She have to arrange her life well. You are not go fit help her arrange life.
mm-hmm.
How can a woman, they will say he go stay for live video. From the evening, they go break her for live video. When they do live video, be at the enter live video, they come out, the enter live video, they come out. Not be the woman will be say, you will use stress, sit down.
24
And then one
hours,
day,
every day.
Yeah.
And you go go see inside
Every
the
day
morning
by day.
sometimes. No go show face and say Jesus. Hey
Okay.
God.
huh? Somebody say need your number, make you pin her for work.
Okay, man. Okay.
Yeah. Make she know all those things when they do, they stay for live video. Live video, yes, live video.
Fi master person.
You do not go even remember say that they chop.
At all. I'll be lie you talk. Oh. Huh. You know, sometimes you go say, na clean, na come clean the house. Na clean, na come cook for them.
Yeah, spend time.
God forbid.
What she go do? Not be say they say the Murphy do this, and the Murphy do this. And the Murphy, when matter will come, the Murphy go they find people when go use her rob. We don't know Eddie Murphy. Nobody fit tell me about Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy say he don't everybody say what they do no good. Now let Yore come remain. Now he go meet Yore.
Oh.
Eddie Murphy when they say they forgive Yore Lare are you web your Murphy. May I tell Yore say no ya. We know
no ya where.
If the answer finish, he don't do the cleansing finish. Eddie Murphy till the
Coco.
not be this one. The Murphy go clean yo.
Yo.
Even father say the Murphy go take clean yo.
He clean am.
We are returning from over the Murphy. Everybody they do live video use at the shop. People went there.
Everywhere they hot that time. Not truth. Oh. Network. Better not fuck up, Jerry. It's network the fuck up. Please share this video, guys. Oh, network the fuck up. Please, when I share this video, now the page won't they use be this. I bet share this video. Oh, network. Okay. Hello.
We bet Murphy. Bet for the Murphy made them return and the Murphy juju. Everybody beg. But the Murphy can't see carry himself down. They can't return that juju. They can't return her. Even the Murphy who now made that they call the Murphy Ogionba. If the Murphy they do well, they don't they remember the Murphy say the Ogionba before. I don't understand. They did. Now you're supposed to do. You're going to use check sit down. You go tell her. We
go support her. Yeah. We go support her. We'll begin to beg for her. If they'll see our video, go they fly on her. I am your name. Oh.
Everybody go come beg. Even small pikin they beg. Papa beg forgive her, ma. Papa beg forgive her, ma. Ma, he beg the name for. In Nigeria, may he go do it. If you do a finish, if not small video, you go show and say, I forgive her now. Finish.
Okay.
Don't be the wood the way they talk.
You never cut her. One go cut one dead down. Oh.
The wood way they order. You the cut her, the one way they talk. You know, that means that plenty wood will come with the one way they talk.
Oh yeah.
You know, she's not feeling fine because you know your behavior like when she's not happy.
Oh.
In any happiness, let her go and find that happiness by herself. Oh. Now just support. Now we get to support her.
God bless you. Ah, God. Network, why they fuck up like this now?
Yeah, everybody know the happiness, you know, we're here no one. Then we're here and low. She has to get her happiness by herself. That is what she's supposed to do. Do live video. And then the Murphy travel back
to Nigeria. Yes.
Yeah. Nigeria. If the Murphy now the Murphy is free. And the Murphy is free because it's the one that the Murphy Yahweh is surprised. I'm not yet the Murphy again. Let me say the Murphy again. I don't understand.
Yeah.
When I'm seeing the Murphy, when the Murphy a palace, I'm here the Murphy a palace. I'm not where for. I don't understand. I'm not where for. But I say you like people out of a market. Why see when you up? Nobody when go be the warrior.
Yeah.
One not strong in what David did. I don't understand. That is my contribution, my sister. When we advise her, not that when they do so. She just they die. We don't see her feeling.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Oh, network. Thank you, ma. Wesley. Yeah. Okay, bye. Yeah. So now, I need my video, my number dead. Then please help me share this video, guys. Now the page one they use for now, and be that. Try to share this video. Yeah, my people, you understand? Not the one when she do so. You understand? She's supposed to do the needful thing, and she know what she's supposed to do. Let's stand for the truth. Don't be all those ones that they hide for fake account. They comment nonsense. Show your face, and no, but show your face. Talk better thing, no, but talk better. Why gamu for logo? Why mu tell you them matter? Why get begeta? Have comment on the head the fake accounts. Show your face now. You be hiding, running head and scatter. Oh, how you face? Oh, I can't show her what. As it be like this now, it good. It good. Who get her? Cry when that woman cried for that video. You suppose know that she is in pain. She cannot just come out and say everything. Or wait pain. Or wait pain. And other final contribute by pain or J. Other final one contribute to. When no go lo boy. Ah. Oga be siyen di o gbani Mike no ya time okay. Dia ya we live footing now. A man not supposed to tell us okay, come on go do this thing. You're not supposed to tell him. Okay, as he can't be say if he go Nigeria no fit enter those states and I call good. Okay, the man now is not happy or what? Why some people don't like saying when we say the talk to go they vest them, all those haters. They had other fake account. You know about show your face now. Ni me here joa o han go show your face where u lay your other fake accounts. As she be na good, everybody come go dey live video every day. 31 days in a month on 38 to 29 be am TikTok. 31 days in a month. He go do live video more than 40 times 40 days. Or how many times? Because we video say 50 times before month go end. We know he's not happy. As the day na live video they console herself. Now live video they console herself. But if you call the live video, do you know what she's passing through inside? Live video say you see people go. You not really get picky. It's not easy. As mommy love eternal truth. Social as your person only one day so. If you come up for the live video, everything go your tire and bon work. Everything go just tire. Everything go just tire. But I not fear advice now. May did you need footing. The woman where they carry they go, you don't born, you don't get wife. Wagi yeke, oma fallen. If you know you cannot help this lady, leave her alone. Let her look for her own husband, so that it will be better. Let her look for her own husband, then will be peace. Stop disturbing that lady. Let her look for her own husband. Me don't know why. She just find rich. Now man will be say don't get how many wife. He use the man talk one. They say one you like her, one not you like her. Maybe not the one where they Nigeria make am see when the man gets. Now he be fought. Two now they say he get for them when he don't born for them. One good. The one when he good, now they carry pikin, they come body if they do live video. He said the other one, no you like her, the other one hate her. I ain't go take like you before. When he said the man when they know they say every day, because he completely they follow that they check the cassava. I go take happy. The other one, maybe they bribe them with money, and I made them want they happy with you. Not everybody need money, they need their own happiness. They don't need your money. She need advice. Yes. You wait the turn and say you need advice, not those talk. Oh, sans more de uwe. Where I'm a live video like that. Ni metasi we ma unyo. If you bring live video, come and say we're not doing No. When you talk the advice one of the give system, you know here. Now the one I call it turn and you not can't manage well. Unyo. We are giving her advice. No, you see, say the cost her. No. But the man supposed to see advice and the man is supposed to see tell her the truth. As she is now, we know sometimes it did pain. The cry when she cried today, God bear me. I cry for her. I pity for her. He'll see that video, get her, go no say she is in pain. But she cannot come out to live video and say everything. Let her be frank and sincere. She cannot come out and say everything. But she need to do the needful thing now. If the man cannot help her, let her help herself. God know they come from heaven because they help person. Now person they send they come. And you too need to help yourself by yourself. You need to help yourself by yourself. When you help yourself by yourself, we are here. Nobody hates her. Nobody say I hate Ijoro, I really get what you do me. No. But at a time, you that advise people, maybe you not see the one with your body. People that is watching you with the presenters too. We still know the one with your body. We still need to tell you where the point is. You can take it or leave it, but that is just the truth. If you see the one will not go for my body, tell me. I'll go inside, go sleep over it, then I will pick it. I will still pick one or two words from you. Let us be frank, I say, let us be realistic here. You understand? When you know the problem, when you know this is the problem, don't go like this and be searching for the problem. When you know the problem is here, right on your front. You don't need to go behind, be searching for the problem, where the problem is. When you know where the spot, where the problem is. Now, that be our own. So, where can the problem be? How can you find it there? How can you look for solution there when you know where the solution is for you? And you pretend as if you don't know. Huh? You pretend as if you don't know. Let me be frank and sincere. That cry when he cried touched me well. I say, oh, the way they cry. I don't watch the video finish. Allah. I don't feel watch the video finish. I don't feel watch and finish. I don't feel watch and finish. Because the thing was so touching. I know they cry when they cry. Not only I the movie, I know it's not only that one. She have a lot. She have a lot. She just used all the opportunity to cry out the pains. She just used that opportunity to take voice out song. Plenty day when no voice, just only cry, put. Take it or leave it. So day, many day we no fit talk. But she just use that opportunity, take cry, put. We know the story now. We know how they be. He don't know. He know the one way they cry. But we cry, oh, but he know. So day we no fit talk, when you use that opportunity, just take share the tears. If you want your cry, may cry. There are sometimes we say, let me cry. And you now cry to the public. Really? You understand? It's not that we hate you. No. At a time, you still know, say, people there when it be say, you suppose they take advice from. Or maybe the advice, or many man they present many man watch over the one. Because not everybody will clap and follow person. Hey, now I love person. Boy, you're not probably the one where mama. Know that. Boy, you're not hey, mommy, where me, we're gonna lie you. Some are indoor, they don't even comment, they don't even call you, they love you. They don't even they talk, but they love you. Not they carry on. When the time set, all of them piate. I said the movie tell you, go, we go take you water for palace. After I drink the water finish, they find help. Nobody will come outside. All of them run. That is social media for you. When you are doing anything, you need to be smart and wise. Otherwise, you will face the rock yourself. Nobody will be there to help you. Except the good ones. So I said, now some person take the talk. He go do video today. I watch him. He's telling you the truth. He man call for mommy lovely video. I hear what that man talk. He said I'm Igbo man, but he don't know where your man for call for Igbo. You know, behave mature for that kind of a thing. Now they cry. You are crying. We know the kind of cry when they cry. It's so painful. Can work it back. I did do what I will listen with. You know where tiny. I'm money. I'm married. Eragiro. Menuta where mama no de papa no de geragiro. But the time. I cannot carry a woman. A woman on a meroji. I'm married. Everywhere. Why I not believe we do and we do. Where you cannot believe we. That is what some people don't know. In those states, when you go there, when you come outside, people they run, follow they speak your language. And you go to Lagos or Ibadan, go do the same performance there. Everybody when I say don't know when you don't cannot come where, no matter what. Anyone can respect him way. No wete ya pila re odo erehian ya ka again we italele who be this bona kere even that pobolelwe e trade vi areva awe bo bona e no uji ati ewe mo. You see the big difference. Or adio tigbo go to where you say your man for come go do katikati for them. They'll say biane bad and you go grow yan so hazeligbo we no we hen ni ata na tele mu work eva we but aga to ba Okan e sangizel, oge do ebini agizel, almost to home. I have it here. They don't fuse and sell you. You must hear. So what are we not talking about? So anyway, raw. Why you ati the beje egwa ni agwewe. You are free. Well, when I present a lad, I'm not doing your bono. A man be ati the your bono. If you ati with video, no, I'm not like that. You understand? But you need the truth have to be told. I cannot tell my attacking them. Who made a mistake, but you can still amend it at the same time as it is right now. What you amend it, and I run a voice in no. Okay, now you realize your mistake. If they can still revise it back, people are there. They will support you. You understand? They can still support you. So let's know what you are doing. All that the movie no right, the movie no who it's share mate. If you like, use and do your papa, use and do your mama. That's not of business. But the movie own, nothing like settlement. We don't need the movie settlement because the movie is coming with wayo. Please, guys, try to follow this page. Please, my beautiful people, try to follow this. When I hear the movie and a lole here, they block my page, guys. Please try to follow this page, like this page, follow this page. Okay, guys. When you still want to search for the name, you will see the name here. Pursue them. You will give space, enter Heart TV. Then you can follow, guys. Understand? Oh, be this one. Oh, Sas Mother. They say you can. Why they insult my fans for you? Are you okay? If you not watch, I invite you. I give you send invitation for you to watch me. If you don't know how to comment, hide other fake accounts. Show your real face now. You'll be running your scatter. I beg, get out. So, guys, thank you very much. God will bless now. So, please, guys, don't forget to follow this page and don't forget to like this page, guys. Please, this is our new page that we are using right now. Loleke and Edmufi. Edmufi not wicked, Edmufi not wicked. You lie on my head and want to do video. You come out, you go report my page. Why will you report my page? Because I want to talk truth. You call quickly go. You want Loleke. When I go report my page when I do on live video. So now this page I call the use now. Please, if you want to know everything that is going on, please try. Please. Thank you, my dear. Try to follow this page, like this page, so that anytime I do on live video, I will be notified. So, guys, try to join me on YouTube later, guys. So I will be on YouTube, guys. Try to follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vera TV program. That is my YouTube name. So this Pursue the Enter Heart TV right now is my new page that will can be used. Hey, Mommy Emily. My Emily, you there? Yes, sis. Oh, thank you, my lady. Thank you. So with the go YouTube, go Samekwa. My YouTube now ya gbe the movie, ya gbe reject. The movie we don't accept your settlement. We don't need it. Mommy Emily, I swallow for you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. All the good lovers all over the world. Not be all those haters like this one, like the other one. No, not affair. If I not you, they talk whether they like. Because they be enemy of progress. Life not better than. Nothing you go talk, nothing you go preach whether they like. But if they see whether for the spoil, on one level. So, guys, thank you, my loved ones, my beautiful ones all over the world. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. So I'm about to go now. We'll prepare for my YouTube now, right now. Vera TV program. So let's go there. So my people, I beg, if you need organic cream, I see my new Weavon, guys. If you need that, just let me know. You can see very beautiful human hair. You understand? So please, if you need Weavon, understand this one are the modern one. Oh. This one are the new pattern. That's how they tell you the middle. This is the new pattern, guys. And if you need organic cream, you understand? So now you can buy. Let me bring the one you can. So you can see I don't use this now. See it, guys. So if you need organic cream, guys, just add me on WhatsApp. So I will send her number. You can see her number right here. So this is her number here. You see the lady's number here. This is her number. This is her number. You can see now. Now the number be this. So if you need organic cream, very good and okay. Understand? So the organic cream now, Oga. So if you need that, just add me on WhatsApp. I will send you the number, Oga. Very good. I don't use on the group, but you know, they finish. If you close, I buy all of them, many. So you go to use, and go still last you. Since now only one they use, it go last you before you go see buy another one. Understand? Go still take. So you get everything. So now they see, I don't. Now the year, I don't use them. Still do. Because now only more they use them. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And if you want to patronize her, she said any kinds of Weavon, any type of Weavon you want, beautiful one, human hair, bone straight, all of them, the fissant and the Weavon, the full where. If you need them, just let me know, guys. So contact me on my number, on my WhatsApp number. Then I'll give you the number. So you can reach her. She's the journey here. Every day she gets everything you want. Understand? If you are black, you want to maintain your black color. She gets. If you are white, yellow, she gets any type and any kind of Weavon. I need it one. Very good and okay. So I'm about to go right now. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to like this page. Please don't forget to follow me on this page, guys. Follow this page and like it so that anytime on live video, you go know when they do live video here before the other one go open, guys. We don't know when for now. So I'm about to go right now. Thank you. I love you all. Bye. Bye bye.